What's up guys, Random Racer here with another iPhone video for you guys today, and today we're going to check out Moshi's iGlaze case for the all-new iPhone 12, 12 Pro, and 12 Pro Max. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open, slap it on the iPhone, and give you guys my quick in-depth review. So the iGlaze case has been around for a few years now with the different redesigns and whatnot, and in this case here, it looks like Moshi did revamp this series for the iPhone 12 lineup. Comes in your traditional Moshi Soya ink packaging. And looks like the first and only thing that I get here is the case in this very nice dark, I'm pretty sure this is a metallic blue, but like a really dark navy version of it. And that is pretty much it. Some of the highlighted features that Moshi notes here is military grade draw protection, supports a wireless charging, and also features soft touch buttons. Like most cases I review, this has a hybrid style design with a polycarbonate hard shell back, coupled with a softer, more flexible, I want to say silicone or rubberized material on the sides. You can also see on the inside part of the case, this is a Snap 2 enabled case, which basically means that you can put Snap 2 magnets on the back here, so that this case would be compatible with Moshi's Snap enabled accessories. Basically, this is kind of like MagSafe, but this technically came out before MagSafe. The magnets can attach itself to like a wireless charger, a mount, so that you don't need any clamps or anything to hold your phone in place. So it's a pretty nice system. That being said, I would like to see Moshi kind of bring out MagSafe compatible cases and accessories in the next few years. Alright, so here is my iPhone 12 Pro Max that I will be demoing with this case. In this case, I think we'll go button side first, and it should just, oh wow, pops easily in place. Alright, taking a quick overview of this case, starting off with the front here, you can see this case is compatible with a tempered glass screen protector. The soft rubber bumper does wrap around the entire border of the phone and lips just above the glass display for added protection. On the bumper, you can also see these added grooves that surround the entire border of the bumper, and it's not just for aesthetics, it actually makes it a little bit more grippier to hold your phone with these grooves on versus a smooth surface from my past experience with these kind of cases. So a nice little added detail that certainly does make a bit of a difference when you're holding your phone. Continuing on, we have a little cutout for the vibrate and ringer switch, as well as these soft touch buttons that I mentioned earlier, which have a nice silver metallic finish to them. And they're actually separate pieces from the case, so they're separate plastic button covers, which means they feel like actual buttons and of course protect your buttons on your phone. They're very easy to press, you get a nice tactile feedback, and of course the same thing applies to the power button on the other side. On the bottom here we have 3 individual cutouts for the stereo speakers, mic, and lightning port. One minor detail I wanted to note is that although the sides are made of a soft material, it's actually rigid enough that it holds everything in place. Normally the bottom parts of many hybrid style cases, with all the cutouts here, it's usually like pretty loose, you can flick it out, but the material is rigid enough that it actually hugs the phone and doesn't move. It's flexible enough though, so that you can pop your phone in and out, but rigid enough that it stays nice and snug to the phone. So a very nice choice of material that Moshi used here. And lastly, on the back here we have this super slick glossy metallic finish on here, which I believe it's like a super dark navy. It's really hard to tell. It looks like black, but not quite. Definitely a bit of a hint of blue in there. But anyways, it does look nice, and definitely a nice choice for those of you who want to keep that bluish look for those of you with the blue iPhones. You also have the Moshi logo printed on the bottom there, and of course the precision cutout for the triple camera lens module. This case is also compatible with my glass lens protector as well, for those of you who rock that. And that is pretty much it for the back. And I almost forgot, for those of you who are wondering about wireless charging, as it says on the box, this case is wireless charging compatible. Overall guys, the Moshi iGlaze case for the iPhone 12 lineup is a nice addition for those of you who are looking for a high quality, well engineered, very well crafted, snug fit protective case for your iPhone 12, 12 Pro, or 12 Pro Max. You can tell with the iGlaze case that Moshi, as with many other products, they try to keep things Apple oriented, simplistic, high quality, and very well crafted, like I already mentioned, and in this case here, preserve the look of the iPhone without changing too much with a case protecting it. A couple of things that really stick out to me with this case are the soft touch buttons. They're really easy to press. I like how they made them with the silver accent on them. That kind of helps them stick out on this case. But yeah, they're super easy to press and they feel like actual buttons. Something I always pick on with case companies is their button covers, because we use the buttons a lot, turning your phones on and off, raising the volume up and down, so that you don't want anything inconveniencing you too much or make it too difficult to use. So yeah, soft touch buttons that Moshi has here, really work well. The other thing that also sticks out is the fact that it's one of the most easiest snap-on style cases to take on and off. You should always take your phone in and out of a case once in a while, just so that you can clean it to keep it from scratching up and debris building up. But it's one of the easiest snap-on style cases I've had to take in and out. I've never had a case that was this easy to take on. So as you guys saw earlier, a very easy case to put on, but also a pretty easy case to take off. So usually I just pick a corner and it just pops out like so. In terms of any cons or things I don't like about the iGlaze case, my only complaint really is the glossy back here. You probably noticed throughout this video that the back is a fingerprint magnet, and that also means that it's probably going to scratch up pretty easily too because it is a glossy finish. So I kind of wish Moshi used maybe a matte finish or a brush metallic finish, something different than glossy, just because although glossy looks nice right out of the box, the minute you put your fingers on it, it's going to collect fingerprints. Generally it attracts dust and debris pretty easily, and of course scratches are a lot more noticeable on a glossy finish. In conclusion guys, if you're looking for a high quality protective case for your brand new iPhone 12, 12 Pro, or 12 Pro Max, you definitely can't go wrong with the Moshi iGlaze hardshell case. Anyways, thanks for watching guys. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Any questions or comments about the iGlaze case, ask away in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.